ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye, to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born a King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exaltation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God, oh, glory in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Yea, Lord, we greet thee, born this happy morning. Jesus, to thee be, oh, glory give you. Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. We'll praise your name forever. We'll praise your name forever. We'll praise your name forever, Christ the Lord. For you alone are worthy. For you alone are worthy. For you alone are worthy, Christ the Lord. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of O Come All Ye Faithful by Chris Tomlin. If you didn't realize, things look a little different in here because that video that I just showed you was actually from our Christmas Eve service, our virtual Christmas Eve service last year. But if you enjoyed that cover and you want to learn the arrangement of it and how to play it for yourself, there's a link to a tutorial on how to play it down in the description below. Also down in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some of those chords that I just played that maybe you didn't recognize in that cover. I'll teach them to you, and you can implement them into your own guitar playing and level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.